Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Nissan Frontier SE V6. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and a six-speed manual transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.